Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make money on Google Cloud. So let's then start. So create and sell cloud based products. If you have a knock for products development, you can create and sell based products on the Google Cloud marketplace. This marketplace allow you can showcase your innovative solutions such as a software application APIs or machine learning models to a wide audience. By offering your products for sale, you can earn revenue through licensing fees or revenue sharing agreements. So participate in Google Cloud Partner Program. Google Cloud offer partner program that allow you can collaborate with Google and leverage their resource to earn money. This program included the Google Cloud Partner Program, which enables you can build solutions, provide consulting service, and resell Google Cloud products. Additionally, there are specialized partner programs like the Google Cloud Technology Partner Program or the Google Cloud Services Partner Program. Such cater the specific expertise or industries. By exploring and tapping into these different avenues, you can unlock the potential of Google Cloud and turn it into a profitable venture. Whether you are a developer, consultant, entrepreneur, or an individual seeking new income streams, Google Cloud provides numerous opportunities to earn money while harnessing the power of the clouds. Leveraging Google Cloud's computer services for profits. So, uh, leveraging Google Cloud's computer services can be a game changer when it comes to earn money. This compute services offered by Google Cloud, such as the compute engines and cabinets engines, provide a power infrastructures for running and managing applications, website, and services. One way to monetize these computer services is by offering hosting solutions to clients, which the scalability and reliability of Google Cloud infrastructures. You can provide your clients with the high performance hosting environment for the websites of applications. Whether it's a small business website or a complex enterprise applications, Google Cloud compute services can handle the workload efficiently, ensuring optional performance and uptime for your clients. Moreover, you can create and sell software as a service solution using Google Cloud Compute Services and dwell in